everyone, this is Julie from Main Street USA Studios. We've got all the Disneyland news for you coming up next. This week at the Disneyland Resort, caramel popcorn from the Germany Pavilion at Epcot coming to downtown Disney. The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh and Pooh Corner opened. Red Car Trolley closing. New retail shops in downtown Disney announced. Tortilla Jo's replacement announced. Herb sandwich details revealed. Construction updates and more. Exciting news this week. Critter Country has been closed since May 1st for its transformation into Bayou Country. And during the closure, both the Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh ride and the popular Pooh Corner shop were also closed. But Disney surprised us by announcing that both the ride and the Pooh Corner portion of the shop will reopen on August 29th, which was this last Thursday. The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh ride itself hasn't changed. It does have a newly defined queue space out front, and we suspect it got a fresh coat of paint as well. And then Pooh Corner, which is at the very back of Bayou Country. Before the closure, it used to be one large shop with separate sections for candy and treats, plushes, and clothing. Now it's split into two connected shops. The Pooh Corner half has reopened with its interior unchanged, so you'll still find your favorite treats and plush toys in their usual spots. However, the far end of the shop, which previously sold clothing and other merchandise, remains closed for now. This section will eventually become Lewis's Critter Club, which we are guessing won't open until Tiana's opens November 15th. There was one other small retail shop in the former Critter Country, the Briar Patch. This shop was towards the front of Critter Country on the Splash Mountain side. This one is still closed and will be eventually reopening as Ray's Berets. Ray is the Firefly character in The Princess and the Frog. We're guessing this shop will also open the same day as Tiana's, November 15th. Of course, the main attraction in the new Bayou Country will be Tiana's Bayou Adventure, but that won't be opening, of course, until November 15th. And there's some not-so-great news from Disney this week. The Red Car Trolley, which has been taking guests from Buena Vista Street to Carthay Circle and all the way to Sunset Boulevard near the Hyperion Theater, will be closing in 2025. Although it wasn't part of Disney California Adventure's opening day lineup, it has been a beloved mode of transportation since it started running in 2012. The Red Car Trolley is one of the key elements that ties Disneyland and DCA together. Just like the Main Street vehicles on Main Street, the trolley adds charm and nostalgia to our Buena Vista Street in DCA. This closure is due to upcoming construction in Avengers Campus. The section of track that passes the Hyperion Theater and leads into Avengers Campus, as well as the backstage trolley barn, will be impacted by the new development. Although Disney hasn't given an exact closing date, they have mentioned it will be in early 2025. It's funny because we didn't ride the trolley often, but it seems like a big part of DCA. Lots and lots of details about the new downtown Disney construction were also revealed this week. The new retail shops next to Parkside Market and across from Doom Tai Fun have been announced. First up will be Avengers Reserve coming this winter. This shop will celebrate the unique fandom and stories of Earth's mightiest heroes and all their amazing friends. Expect to find collectibles, apparel, accessories, toys, and comics. Also coming sometime this winter will be the D-Lander shop. Disney says this will be a fresh, quintessentially Southern Californian boutique celebrating trend-forward fashions for Disneyland fans, offering a stylish collection of apparel, accessories, and jewelry. And a Marceline's update was given for Downtown Disney as well. Marceline's Confectionery in Downtown Disney is currently closed, but they're still serving sweets from a cart for now. Previously, we had mentioned that this shop was being expanded, and this week, Disney revealed more details. The newly expanded store will be called Disney Wonderful World of Sweets and is set up to open this winter. But here's the big news. In the same announcement, Disney shared that the shop will be a whimsical candy, sweets, and treats store featuring favorites like churro toffee, caramel apples, sour balls, lollipops, packaged confections, and freshly made Werther's Original Caramel Popcorn. If you're a fan of Epcot, this is big news. Disney will be making fresh Werther's caramel popcorn just like at Epcot's Germany Pavilion. We're crossing our fingers that other treats from Caramel Couche, the sweet shop in Germany Pavilion, might make their way to downtown Disney too. Tortilla Jo's has been closed since the end of March, and we reported previously that it would be replaced with a steakhouse and a barbecue spot. This week, Disney gave us more detail. The two new restaurant concepts by Michelin-starred chef Joe Isidori will replace Tortilla Jo's. One is a full-service steakhouse with a warm, sophisticated ambiance featuring prime cuts of beef, fresh seafood, and cocktails. The other is a barbecue quick-serve location offering traditional barbecue dishes like pulled pork and beef brisket with unique spices and house-made sauces. This spot will also feature an outdoor bar with craft beers and moonshine cocktails. Chef Isidori is known for his recent successes, including Arthur & Sons and Jotaro Kitchen and Tequila Bar. No time frame yet for these two new restaurants. And then Disney also provided an update on the Earl of Sandwich situation. Currently, there's a permanent location near the Esplanade and a pop-up near the former ESPN zone, both of which will stay open for now. However, Disney announced that the permanent Earl of Sandwich will close in 2025 to make way for the construction of Porto's Bakery. They also shared concept art for a new 2-story Earl of Sandwich location. The ground floor of the new location will have a traditional Earl of Sandwich setup, while the second floor will have an all-new table service concept called the Carnaby Tavern. The Carnaby Tavern will be inspired by the swinging 60s British invasion pop and rock bands from the UK, and will include a patio and an indoor-outdoor full-service bar. And don't forget it's Halloween season at the Disneyland Resort, and Pluto's Pumpkin Pursuit started Friday. This is a scavenger hunt with a small prize for finishing. You don't actually have to finish to get your prize, by the way. You can purchase one of 3 maps for Disneyland Park, DCA, or Downtown Disney at select merchandise locations. And a reminder that the Halloween Half Marathon weekend is September 5th through 8th, right after Labor Day weekend, so 2 extra busy weekends in the parks on top of the Halloween season. The Half Marathon, as well as the other run events for this year, are sold out. However, the Run Disney Health and Fitness Expo at the Disneyland Hotel is open to all guests. The expo runs from September 5th to September 7th. In closure and construction updates starting in Disneyland, we mentioned that much of Critter Country, now Bayou Country, is back open. The many adventures of Winnie the Pooh and Pooh Corner are open. Tiana's remains closed till November 15th. And the Country Bear Barbecue Jamboree should open any day. No date announced yet, though. Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln will remain closed through at least 2024. The Disney Gallery, though, will reopen October 1st. And Space Mountain should reopen this Friday, September 6th. Excited to have it back open. The Disneyland Railroad remains closed through at least early October. The monorail is closed with no reopening dates. Indiana Jones has its short closure from September 9th to September 14th. The sailing ship Columbia closes September 23rd, reopening right away September 27th. It's a Small World closes September 16th, and the Jungle Cruise closes September 16th, reopening October 4th. Over in DCA, the Animation Academy reopened last week, and World of Color 1 will close September 9th with no reopening date yet.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.